Hi there. So I remember I received a comment about making pumpkin porridge on this channel. I decided to try it and I'm adding fresh almonds. So here I am gathering some almonds and I'm gonna bust these almonds up to add them to my pumpkin porridge. And the basic ingredients are the almond, you're gonna see it following: almonds, pumpkin, ripe banana, just a little bit of ripe banana to help to sweeten the porridge, sea moss, and I'll blend all of those little ingredients together in the blender with some oats, and then I will be adding it to cornmeal that I have cooking on the stove already. And yeah, you're gonna see it come together beautifully. Yeah, adding in some water here because I don't have coconut milk, but I did add oats and almonds, so that's milk. Now I'm adding in my blended ingredients to this cornmeal that I had cooking for some time. And I'm gonna tell you, my gas done right here, so I'm about to switch it up and put it on a wood fire right here, so to finish the final cooking stages. Then of course I sweetened my porridge. I added vanilla and spices, so on and so forth. And then I put a little molasses on the top right here, and I'm telling you, it was really so delicious. It was so delicious. I didn't get a strong pumpkin taste, but the pumpkin color is vibrant. I'll do this again. Very well done. I'm proud of myself. Thanks for watching.